Most people would mess this up in 5 seconds, but watch how this blade handles these impossible curves. We're cutting out a custom axe design, and the margin for error is 0. See how the saw glides right along the incline? That takes a level of hand-eye coordination that most of us can only dream of. The way those tiny triangular scraps just fall away is pure ASMR. Look at the precision around the axe head. Navigating those tight corners without snapping the wood is the ultimate test of patience. Every notch, every angle hit perfectly. It's like a puzzle being born right in front of your eyes. If that was as satisfying for you as it was for me, hit that subscribe button and tell me what shape we should carve next.